Good morning to you. Here today to do another review from Blade HQ. Blade HQ. Going to do a review on the UZI tactical pen. Take a look at it here. I've had it for about a week. Seem to be using it every day just as a general pen. Also has a pretty good knurling there for grip purposes, and also writes real good. Just to give you an example, real smooth. Does take the Fisher replacement, so it's easy to replace your pens when they get out. As you see, this one has the glass breaker on it. This is made out of aircraft aluminum. Pretty hefty. And it is a defense pen. Can be used in a couple of different ways. Holding it this way gives you a good stabbing motion. This is a sturdy end here, and also if you would like to turn it around, you could also use it this way. Pretty good defense tool in emergency. Little sturdy clip on it. Again, I've had it for about a week, so far enjoying it. This comes from Blade HQ. They run around $13, $14. Does have your little UZI on the side, emblem on the side. Seems to be a very handy tool for everyday use and also for tactical use, defense use if necessary. This is Slim Bowling. Just leave a comment, like, subscribe, and we'll be getting back with you. God bless.